You're looking to have a nice stand on your desk, bedroom, wherever that has charging ports, as you can see, charging via the ports and touching the lights. We're checking out and review today. This lamp is 21 inches in height, 47-inch in width with 150 degree. It is touchable. Let's open it up. Check online for further detail about your product, different colors, shapes, and sizes they come in. A pamphlet about your light, nicely packaged. They come in a number of colors. This is everything all unpacked. Included T45 bulbs. You have a cord that's about 4 or 5 feet in length, an outlet on each of the light, a black base, and you have a bottom that is protected from sliding on the table. And we're going to show you how simple it is to install. All you need to do is press in on the light fixture, slide between the bracket, press down and let the clips slide on, and simply unscrew the top. The gray linen light fully assembled, and the other one with the cover off. We have the cord. We're going to plug it into the top outlet. On the very front over here, you have a USB A and C on each of them, as well as the outlet on top. In order to turn the lamp on, all you need to do is tap or touch the base. The lamp comes on at 20% brightness. There are 3 levels of brightness: 20%, 60%, and 100%. When you first turn your light on, it's a press. In order to shut the light off, you simply just hold it and it shuts off. In order to turn it back on, you simply press it again and it remembers the last setting. This is called the 3-way dimmable light at 3 levels of increment, from 45 degree to 150 degree of brightness. We have the USB-A ports. They're lit up, doing a good job. And when you need to touch the light, simply touch it anywhere to turn it on. Even the top piece, anywhere imaginable. I hope you enjoy your lights, if these are the lights for your needs.